Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Philips Steam Iron 1000 series, the model DST1030 with non-stick salt plate, fast and convenient, less water refills required, with 2-year worldwide guarantee. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Plenty of papers. .5 meters the length of the cable, large transparent water tank 250 ml, lets you iron more garments with fewer refills, 2000 watts. I like the color, light blue, white, branded cable, adjustable, 1700 to 2000 watts. Here we have the controller, from minimum, synthetic, silk, cotton, linen. It is the maximum. And here we have in the switch, steam, eco mode, for reduced power consumption, without steam, and calc clean. 4 positions. On calc clean you need to press and hold. And we have the burst button for the steam. Here you can refill with water, silicone rubber around, it will stay all the water inside. I don't see any measuring cup at the box. I have my measuring cup. I will refill with water. The sole plate of Philips Iron is coated with a special non-stick layer for good gliding performance on all fabrics. The slim tip of the sole plate allows you to reach easily into the trickiest areas. I like that. It is small and portable. Definitely it can fit anywhere. We have a continuous steam up to 20 grams per minute and 19 grams of steam boost for fast grease removal. So let's fill up with water and test it. The 10,000 series remove 99.99% bacteria from your garments in as little as 10 seconds. Not included this plastic measuring cup. There's all the water. Perfect. With up to 2000 watts of power, the iron heats up in less than 30 seconds and delivers up to 2 grams per minute of continuous steam and up to 90 grams of steam boost for stubborn greases. The sole plate is coated with a special non-stick layer that ensures a smooth glide on all types of fabrics. If you want professional level ironing results with the premium price tag, this model delivers impressive performance. Perfect for busy professionals needing crisp shirts daily, families tackling large laundry piles, students learning to iron, budget-conscious shoppers wanting premium features. delivers its renowned quality with powerful steam performance, thoughtful safety features and premium glide at an affordable price. And that wraps up our review of the Philips 1000 series steam iron. With its 2000 watts power, non-stick salt plate and up to 90 gram steam boost, it's designed to make ironing quick and efficient. The 250 ml water tank reduces the need for frequent refills. And features like the slim tip salt plate add to its versatility. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.